We believe everyone deserves to live their dream, and that's why I travel the world helping people make their dreams a reality. And today, we're helping someone whose dream is at risk of disappearing.
I guess you want me to ask you the question. You ready?
What's my dream?
What is your dream?
I want to have like my own baking business.
Okay.
So I'm starting right now. It's called Barb's Bakes.
Barb's Bakes? I already want to try this stuff.
But Barb's dream was just beginning. She was struggling, only selling about 1 cake a week.
Starting baking with Barb's was me like crying for help to just be happy. My future would just not be anything. It would just be lost.
Making a dream real is never easy. So we sat down with Barb to figure out exactly what was holding her back.
So you have 3 things I think that we need to help you with to kind of get you to the next level, because I know if things don't work in the next month, I'm scared for you.
Barb has 3 big problems standing in the way of her dream. First, her social media isn't bringing in customers. Second, she hasn't done the math, and every business lives or dies by the numbers. And third, she's afraid of rejection, which keeps her from putting herself out there in the world.
You've made a big leap to quit your job. Just remember the pain of working for someone else and the limit that they give you. Let's go.
To help Barb conquer these fears, we built her an accelerator program. Alongside 3 other dreamers with their own food businesses, she'll tackle each challenge one by one. Everything leads to the ultimate test, running her own bakery in front of real customers. The first challenge on Barb's plate, social media. Because in today's world, it's not enough to make amazing cakes. People need to actually see them. And Barb's about to get her first taste of tough feedback.
Barb, you're next.
Yay.
To help Barb level up, we brought in food creators who've turned their recipes into viral sensations with millions of views. Their job today, break down Barb's content and give her the tools to do the same.
Decorate my birthday cake. Let's do it.
It is really long.
It's a long video.
Yeah.
But when you watch it in front of people, I think that's when you really realise how much you can still like edit down.
Yeah, there's a lot of process that you could probably cut from this and not lose a thing. I think the best parts of this video is your reactions to things. Because you are a video, you're adorable and it's like really lovely to watch.
How can we reward the viewer for like watching all the process?
Okay. Thank you so much, guys. This is really helpful. People are scary. Like, it scares me to get criticized by people. I feel like all the fears I have come from like my insecurities and just being out of control, and now you just have to pray for the best. Like sometimes I look at my videos and I'm just like, I don't know what's wrong. All the things that were in the back of my mind, like maybe I should try this. They're telling me now, so like maybe I really do need to try this, you know?
For Barb, this wasn't just about posting online, it was about facing her fear of judgment. And with social media complete, it was time for Barb's second challenge, the numbers. And I was afraid Barb hadn't paid close enough attention to hers.
First of all, guys, come on over. We're gonna do some spreadsheet building. I know that's super fun. I think it's fun. I've got a lot of best mates that are like very good chefs. They all hated working with me. I was like, tell me your recipe. How many grams of this? How many grams of this? And every single chef in the world just wants to go like dash of this, splash of this, glug glug glug. This is the product. Each napkin costs money, right?
Cleaning supplies, so expensive.
I didn't even think about that. Never even thought about putting it as a cost. I just was like, okay, that's something I need to do. It's gonna hurt, but oh well.
As you scale and as you grow, you'll probably have to start thinking about those things that you need to add. Creating Instagram Reels and TikTok, that's your time as well. So you almost have to put labor onto those things, right?
Exactly. If I'm not counting all of these different things, I feel like I'm not giving maybe the prices, like the correct prices that I should.
Now Barb finally understood what it would take to build a real business, but her hardest challenge was still ahead. In this final stage, Barb faces her third and toughest test. This time, it's about stepping into the real world alongside 3 other dreamers chasing the same goal.
I've got some exciting news for you. Each of you is going to have your own booth. These 4 booths here, one for each of you, to turn into your business and open your own store and serve real customers. And we're going to promote the hell out of the fact they can come and try your product, and let's see what customers think.
Let's do it. Wow.
You've got 1 week.
1 week.
1 week.
Oh, I'm so excited. I could start crying. I can't believe this is happening. It's a lot of stress, but I'm so excited. I'm so grateful. I'm so happy.
I wanted to understand why this dream mattered so much to Barb, and it turned out it all started with her family.
think I was probably like 9. My father used to invite all his friends for dinner, gather everyone because everyone is just like alone. You know, they need like a family feeling. So I just go all to our house. I would create the menus, give them the menus, like a chocolate cake with ice cream, and they would all love it. It was my favorite thing, just to see everyone like, oh my God, this is amazing. It was really cool. My sister, my brother, my dad, and my mom. I moved to the UK when I was 19. And then when COVID hit, I'm pretty sure this happened to a lot of people, I was just stuck at home and just feeling very hopeless. So I just stayed in my room alone for like 2 years, which was quite hard for me. I feel like, oh my God, this sounds so weird, but it's true. Like I would just lay down on my back on my bed and just stare at the ceiling for like 5 hours. And then I would realize like, oh, it's time for bed. Let's go to sleep. It's not that I want to be happy. Like I need to be happy right now. Like I need to find something in my life that just brings me joy and brings me like hope. As soon as I realized like, wait, baking is something that I do when I feel sad. So why not just do a business out of it? And then I met Simon and I was like, oh God, now I really have to do it, you know, so.
For Barb, this wasn't just about selling cakes, it was about proving to herself that she could build a future, a life where she could have a family and be strong enough to support the people she loves. And now all of that rested on one day.
Hi, how are you? That was the most stressful car ride of my life. I'm so happy I'm here already. I'm so excited.
What happened in the car?
The cakes in the car, but they kept like falling over. The bigger fridge to put everything. Yeah.
Tired already. The day started. He's happy they came. They arrived safely.
Oh my God, look at my cakes.
I'm putting them all in this one because it's the coldest. It's the 4 degrees one. I'll pass them to you.
With the cakes safely transported, Barb could finally set up her stand and prepare for the day ahead. Every detail mattered because soon the real test would begin.
It's orange. Yeah, you look so good. I can't believe I have a stand. This is crazy.
Seeing her name above a real bakery stand was a dream come true, but this moment was just the beginning. What really mattered wasn't the sign, it was whether customers would actually show up.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm good.
Hello.
This is Mateus.
Nice to meet you.
Are you guys all ready?
Yes, I made everything at home.
What?
Yeah, so we have like the chocolate ones, the lemon, and the raspberry ones.
All right guys, let's go.
Let's
Ready?
do it.
They've got 1 hour until their store opens, and if they can't be profitable, then their dream will die. And to give Barb and the Dreamers their best shot, I blasted this event out to my 17 million followers and secured press coverage. Everything we could do to get people in the door, we did. Okay, your dreams are going to come alive in 30 seconds. The doors are opening. Are you ready?
Yes, let's
Go!
do it.
Go, go, go! Woo! With her stall finally ready, Barb stepped into the day with a mix of nerves and excitement. The first hour was slow. A few curious glances, but most of the early sales went to the other Dreamers. By the second hour, the gap was clear. While their stands were drawing steady customers, Barb had only managed a handful of sales. Simon, how's it going?
Really good.
How many sold so far?
11.
11, okay. Desserts are a bit more a later thing. I would like to buy one of each, please, if that's okay.
Yeah, okay, amazing.
I like the way you go straight to the till first, that's good. Get the money. These are Barb Bakes 3 items.
Half the day was gone. To give Barb a boost in morale, I sat down to try her cake cups and give my honest review.
Perfect, that is perfect. I just don't want to stop eating it. I want to go try the other 2. But I've got to tell her. Hold on. I've got a complaint to make. It should be illegal to make stuff like this. No, forget the cameras, forget everything that's happening today. Honestly, forget it all. This is unbelievable. Honestly, you're so talented. It is mind-blowing. All this business stuff can be worked out. I need you to understand how good you are. You are talented. Believe it, yeah? Believe it.
But while her recipe impressed, time was slipping away faster than any of us expected. With just 1 hour left, I went to check in on her.
Last hour before shops close. Let's go find out if they've at least covered their cost. How's it going?
Good.
Yeah,
We sold 35.
35 now.
35? Okay. Right. That's a lot of wastage if we're not careful here though. How can you sell more?
I don't know. know, honestly.
I think there's so many people that having a meal and they haven't had dessert yet.
That's scary.
Yeah, you can do it. You can do it.
Okay.
Do you want me to help you do it?
Yes.
Okay, grab your phone. I'll do the first one for you, okay?
Okay.
How much would you pay for this?
I will pay around 6 quid.
6 quid, £1 off. You're so close. It's £5.
Is it?
Yeah. Do you want to buy one?
Yeah, I'll buy one now.
Really?
Yeah.
What?
Perfect.
Thanks for supporting an entrepreneur. That's how you do the first one. See? We sold one.
That's good.
See how amazing it is when you get someone to buy one, right? Right, your turn.
So easy.
Your turn now.
Oh my god.
How about these guys? Try it. All on your own.
Hi guys. If you can guess how much this is, I'll give it to you. You're correct. There you go. Me, I'm on the last stall over there. It's called Baking with Barb's, and I sell cake. So yeah, if you want to visit me, thank you so much. Bye bye. I did it because of you. You helped
did it
me.
because of you. Did it because of you. You have confidence. You have charisma. You have charm. You have talent.
I've got to believe it now.
You have. You did it.
Thank you.
Well done.
Thank you so much. Oh my god. Now I want to go do more.
With a little push, Barb made her first in-person sale, but the real test wasn't with me by her side. The question was, would she have the courage to face rejection on her own and push through her third and final challenge?
Should we go try to promote it? We could go together. I'll bring one of mine.
Go do your thing. Yeah, go do meal deal.
Meal deal, that's great.
I'm just gonna hand them out to people. Sure. Yeah,
I mean, I think it would be good, no?
I'm gonna take lemonade and then just hand out.
Let's do it. Oh my god. What are we gonna say?
I don't know.
Okay,
Here.
we can say here. There you go.
We should go. Where do you want to go?
Do you want this family?
Yeah, sure. No, okay, let's go to. Okay. No, I don't know. Definitely. Yeah.
Hi guys.
Hi.
If you can guess how much are these cakes, I'll give it for free.
And I'll give you these 2 lemonades if you come to my stall and buy some fries. We do pulled pork waffle loaded fries.
Yeah, it feels very awkward, very like a lot of pressure, but it feels good, no?
Yeah.
We did it. Who are we attacking next? That big group. Go, let's go. Hi guys! Today is our first pop-up. We are starting our own businesses. Yeah, we wanted to share our business cards. We can give you a cake and some free lemonade. Yeah?
Everyone that you're giving out cakes are coming back to pay for
Really?
them. Yeah.
That's so sweet.
Yeah.
After 6 hours of pushing through their fears, time was finally up. The challenge had reached its end, and every dreamer had to close their stall. Whatever sales they made, whatever lessons they learned, this was it.
Wow. You guys made it happen. I know it's not easy, but your dreams came alive today. I first of all want to say a few things. Thank you to you guys. Honestly, these guys made this happen, and I know these guys also feel very grateful. I saw the hugs a minute ago, so I know.
But this was never just about the money. It was about courage, growth, and proving you could face fear head on. And because Barb did exactly that, we had one final surprise waiting.
Let's just analyse the numbers real quick. So how much did it cost you today?
So it cost me around like 500.
And how much were your sales?
210.
So how much is your loss?
290.
There you go. You know maths. It's straightforward. And you know what? I've never launched a business or had a business ever that didn't have a loss-making day or two. So you're good at numbers, you're great on social media, and people love you.
Thank you.
And your product is so amazing. Actually, we've got 2 little surprises for you, okay? First,
Barb, there's one more group of people that want to congratulate you for today.
You are the best.
I never thought you would do this. You're crazy.
We are all so proud of you.
If it weren't for you guys, I wouldn't do anything. You're the best. You make all of this a reality, so thank you so much.
there's one other, surprise we
Oh my
have.
god, more.
Mikado, the folks here that have arranged it, have been so impressed with you today. They want to give you a 30-day pop-up shop to try and extend it and see if we can build this up with you.
Oh my god.
You've got your own shop for another month if you want it.
Oh my god, that's crazy.
You deserve it. You're pushing
you
through
so
fear
much.
and making your dream happen. So I'm
Thank
so
you
proud
so
of you.
much. Thank you so much.
If you've got a food-related dream, click the link below for resources to help you get started. And if your dream is something different, head to Help Bank, where you can find support to make any dream a reality.